and welcome to TopSolid 7. I just finished a demo up a little while ago and someone asked me an interesting question. And the question had to do with gang holders on a mill turn machine. So I showed them a sample, but I think this is worth sharing to everybody. So here we have a gang holder. We have 3 live tools. They all have the same stick out distance, what have you. They're pretty close to each other. And a problem that commonly happens is, while machining with this tool may collide with the part. Let me show you what I mean. I created an axial side milling here, so we'll go ahead and run the simulation on that. You can see we're indexing, we're bringing the tool up over here, and I'm just going to fast forward to right there. So, right now, I'm pausing at my rapid plunge clearance, and you can see my center drill here is going to collide right into the part. Now, if that's what you're after, great, but I don't think it is. So you can see as I run the simulation, it's running right through there. If you want, we can go into verification for this. Turn on our collision detection right there. We'll hit play again. We'll kind of speed forward, but now you can see what's happening. We're getting quite the silly cut with our tip drill. So how do you resolve such a problem? Simple. Go into your operation, we go to the WCS solution, and we're going to tell the solution to rotate the C-axis a little bit, which in turn will shift the Y-axis. So for example, I'm going to go 45 degrees. This creates a 45 degree WCS for us. Green check. And if I run the simulation again now, and again I'll fast forward to get it up there, you can see now the tool is not colliding because we've rotated the contact point of our tool to be out of the way. And again, just for fun, if we run this through verification, just so you can see it with material removal. We'll go ahead and hit play again, and again I'm going to fast forward to the position of the start, but now you can see cutting all day long without any risk of collision. I just thought this would be a great sample to make a video to show you how simple making a change like this is within the TopSolid environment, and also the power of real machine simulation in real time so that you can visually see you're getting to the finish line you're looking for. Thanks for watching.